Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start lesson 8.1, the first lesson in chapter 8. Hands-on, measure with inch models. In this lesson, you will use a non-standard unit, color tiles, like I explained it in the previous class yesterday. You will use a non-standard unit, color tiles, to measure length of objects. Using color tiles as a measurement tool requires that you place a row of tiles along the length of the object and determine the total number of tiles. To determine an accurate measurement, you must understand the importance of aligning the left edge of the first tile with the left end of the object to be measured, and then placing each tile so that there are no gaps or overlaps. Actually, this experience with using color tiles to measure length builds an understanding that iterations of the same size unit are used in measurement. In addition to that, you will learn how to express a numerical measurement at the number of color tiles. Now, let's start our lesson. How can you use inch models to measure length?
How can you use inch models to measure length?
Well, hi there. My friend Carlos, the caterpillar, likes to stretch out and rest sometimes. He's resting on this leaf now. Carlos was wondering about the length of the leaf. Click. See that tile? I wonder how many tiles could be lined up to show how long the leaf is. How can we use the tiles to find the length of the leaf? Come on, let's see how we can measure length using inch models.
Let's use color tiles to measure the length of this chenille stick. Start by putting the left edge of the first tile under the left edge of the chenille stick. Now, let's add tiles side by side until they make a row as long as the chenille stick. Don't leave any gaps between the tiles. That's 3 tiles, 4 tiles, 5 tiles. So how long is the chenille stick? The chenille stick is 5 color tiles long. Now, let's use color tiles to measure the length of this chenille stick. Line up the left edge of the first tile with the left edge of the chenille stick. Then add tiles side by side without gaps or overlap. 1 tile, 2 tiles, 3 tiles. How long is the brown chenille stick? This chenille stick is 3 color tiles long. Color tiles are a good tool for measuring length. Because the tiles are all the same size, the measurements will be the same for everyone. About how many inches long is this string? You can measure the length of the string by matching it to the length of a row of color tiles. Count the color tiles to measure the length of the string. The string is 2 color tiles long. Each color tile is about 1 inch long. There are 2 tiles, so about how many inches long is the string?
As I explained before yesterday, that each color tile is 1 inch. So in this case, we have 2 color tiles. So the string is about how many inches? Can you think with me? If each one color tile is equal 1 inch and we have 2 color tiles, so the answer is excellent. It's 2 inch long. 2 inches long.
You're right. This string is 2 color tiles long, so it's about 2 inches long. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Now let's move to our lesson.